back to my channel, and today I'm back with another review of a feeding bottle. And today we are going to review the Kids Care Polypropylene Feeder here for babies. It says Pinky is the name of the product. Kids Care Pinky feeding bottle, and today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. So it comes packaged in this cardboard box right here. It's a very affordable bottle that we get here. And the brand name is Kids Care, which is a brand of Florite itself, which is a popular baby products company, Florite Baby Products Private Limited. And Kids Care is a subsidiary of the same. And today we are going to review the Kids Care Polypropylene Feeder Pinky feeding bottle. So right here we can see the illustration of the bottle. It is completely BPA-free, right? On this side again you can see the Kids Care branding on top. Polypropylene feeder, Pinky feeding bottle, nominal capacity is 250 ml. Now what are the contents of this pack? We get a cover, we get a silicone nipple, we get a feeding bottle and a retaining cap as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this bottle. So we'll quickly open it up. Inside the packaging, here is the Pinky bottle that we get. So this is the cover that comes on it, and we'll just open the bottle right now. So here this is the securing cap cover, and here's a disc to make it leak proof while traveling. And if you remove the plastic, this is the bottle inside the plastic, and here we have the silicone nipple. This is a silicone nipple that comes with it. So this is how we'll assemble it. This is the nipple, this is the cover of the bottle, and the nipple just goes through this and it fits in well. Now we just need to fasten it, and here is the bottle, here is the cover. So guys, this is the Kids Care Pinky bottle, which is BPA free, and here is a measurement given right here. So that we can measure the amount of milk you'll provide. So yeah guys, this is the MRP of this bottle is rupees 80. So the MRP is rupees 80, and it's available on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can purchase it from Amazon. Right guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.